The 12 Days of Christmas, or the 12 Days of Turkey. On the first day of Christmas, my true love said to me, "I've bought a big fresh turkey and a proper Christmas tree." On the second day of Christmas, much laughter could be heard as we tucked into our turkey, a most delicious bird. On the third day of Christmas came the people from next door. The turkey tasted just as good as it had the day before. On the fourth day of Christmas came relations young and old. We finished up the Christmas pud and had the turkey cold. On the fifth day of Christmas, outside the snowflakes scurried, but we were nice and warm inside. We had the turkey curried. On the sixth day of Christmas, the Christmas spirit died. As the children fought and bickered, we had turkey rissoles fried. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love she did wince when she sat down at the table and was offered turkey mince. On the eighth day of Christmas, the dog had run for shelter. He'd seen our turkey pancakes and the glass of Alka-Seltzer. On the ninth day of Christmas, by lunchtime, Dad was blotto. He knew the bird was back again, this time as a risotto. On the 10th day of Christmas, we were drinking homemade brew. As if that wasn't bad enough, we were eating turkey stew. On the 11th day of Christmas, the Christmas tree was molting. With chili, soy, and Worcester sauce, the turkey was revolting. On the 12th day of Christmas, we had smiles upon our lips. The guests had gone, the turkey too, so we dined on fish and chips. Merry Christmas, everyone. Enjoy the holiday season. Be kind, take care, and stay safe.